Hey everybody, today we're over here at Sport Goofy's Gifts and Sundries. That's a mouthful right there, but it's actually the gift store located in the All-Star Sports Resort. As you guys walk in, as you can see, there's a lot of apparel right in the front here. You've got a lot of Halloween items out, but most of it up here is all clothing. So you're gonna see shirts, you're gonna see the hats, the sweatshirts. Then over on this side over here, you've got the regular t-shirts, you've got the luggage, you got the backpacks, you got the Mickey ears. Now all these little resort tours that are in the All-Stars, what you're noticing about most of them is that they're all almost identical stores. So these are pretty decent sized stores. Each All-Star resort has them, but each one is themed out just a little bit differently. So this one's themed around the sports. The music will be around the music. The movies will be about the movies. But you can see up on top the golf, the football. So this is obviously going to tell you you're in the All-Star Sports Resort. If you guys remember way back, the carpet used to be way different in here, and they've also redone the carpeting in the other two resorts. So they all got new carpeting, a little facelift there. Here's some of the hats you guys are going to see when you're walking around in here. In the back, you've got, still have your general store. You've got your refrigerated items. You've got your snacks. You've got your candies. You've got your pool supply stuff. You got your medications. You get a little headache down here, you're going to go in there and get your aspirin or your ibuprofen. And this is all your food, goods, and snacks and stuff like that. So it's still a general store and it's a gift shop. There's your refrigerated items from. You can have the drinks, the Powerades, the waters. You can even get beer in there. So you do have to be of age to buy that stuff, but they do have it in here. So this is actually the general store side, and it does still have the mugs over there. So if there's not really a lot of rooms in these stores, what I notice is they're putting the mugs over in the general store, which kind of makes a little sense because you're going to need that to eat or drink something anyway. But as you guys make your way through, you see there's a lot of space. Back before COVID, these stores used to be really tight. Now there's less displays in here, more openness. It actually makes it nicer to film because you can see a lot more items in here. You've got your Crocs over here, you got your shorts. You got your pendants up on top. It's actually a pretty cool little store. We like to visit all three of them. We're not just gonna go to one. On my way out, if we're leaving this area, we'll actually stop in all three of the resorts just to check to see if they got any new items or that one item that the others may not have. And I say that a lot, but it's very truthful to this, guys. Always check out all the gift shops. One gift shop may have an item that the other two don't have. Or, you know, it might be one gift shop and then you've got two other resorts around you. The one little one might have something. I even like going over to the Swan and Dolphin and checking out their gift shops because sometimes they have something unique in there. But this is another look around here. So this is the little general store and gift shop located at the All-Star Sports Resort. And you can see a little bit more foot traffic in here today. Lately it's been real slow, but I noticed the All-Star resorts are starting to pick up a little bit. Maybe because the pricing's down a little bit, not really sure, but there's definitely a little bit more people walking around. But if you guys get over here, you see the Halloween stuff is out. And this one is the All-Star Sports Resort, Sport Goofies. I recommend getting over here looking at it, and if you guys haven't subscribed and liked this channel and video, we do recommend you do it now, and thanks for watching, guys.